Hello. Hey, I've had a lot of questions about how to hook up this water system that I've got, and I want to show you, even with one-handed, how fast this is. So I pulled up here to the RV storage. I'm going to give a tank a quick top off, but it's going to simulate exactly how fast it is to connect once you're at the hydrant at some RV resort or your own storage or your home or wherever. So the first thing is, aside from my regulator, I usually carry a spare. For full flow on a Newell, you can run it in full power, and I've got this Home Depot tote box that happens to be the exact size I need, and I really can't find them anymore, but I have a spare hose in here, okay, and I have my quick disconnect here. I just disconnect that and I run my supply. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed, so imagine how much faster it'd go with two hands. Okay, and I run the quick connect hose from the output side of the water filter. That's a 3-stage water filter, 5, 1, and 0.5 microns, into the inlet of the double soft softener, and I keep a protective cap with a female on my coach hose, which is coming right from the coach, and that goes right on the output side. One word of caution before I do anything: I like to do a quick flush of the system, get all that potential junk or rust that may be sitting in that softener tank. Incidentally, some of you asked about back flushing. Well, with a double male, all I do with a back flush is I put it right in here on the output side, and I just turn my input right around to the output and then run that thing. You can run it full flow and let it back flush for a few minutes, and that'll help extend your softener's generation. Now I got to do this one-handed again. A lot faster if I did it two-handed, okay? So you don't need to see me. All right, in there, connect, and away we go. And that's all there is to it. Turn on the autofill, and she's filling up. It's so fast, and it's so easy. You know, I carry all the fittings I need for anything right here in this little dish tote box. Sorry for the terrible camera work. Okay, but I've got my TDS meter. Okay, got some extra goop, silicone grease, testers, lube, rag, etc. And that's all it is. So I've got my pressure washer system in there. And if, in fact, I want to connect in my DI tank, I can go get it out of the car and take it and connect right to the output side of the softener. And now I've got a DI system coming right off my 3-stage, off the softener, right into the DI tank, and I am good to go for pressure washing. All right, there you go, just like that. What did this video take? 3 minutes, one-handed. You're on.